So hi, today we're going to learn about string validators, and these string validators have a built-in function called isalnum. So that will be it will return Boolean value, and it will be alphanumerics. So so this type of isalnum, isalpha, isdigit, islower, and isupper. They return Boolean value, and they will check the occurrence of particular type. So for example, alnum will check alphanumeric if they are A to Z or 0 to 9, right? So in this case it's true, but once the moment it included special characters, then it will return false. So same thing for these functions. The reason why is that basically they don't want something that is not belong there in a string, right? So they want to verify if that string is really a valid alphanumeric or alphabet, right? So let's try and implement the following challenge right here. So the first one will be alphanumeric, and so it will continue until the uppercase. So let's try to implement it right here. So we're going to use any. So the reason why is that we are checking only one character at a time, and we are trying to get out if it's true or not. If the strings really contain that alphanumeric or alphabetic or digit, one characters only, right? If it's one character is true, then we can just return true. So in this case, we can use for loop, but for loop is a lot of we can use for loop, but we can also use any. So for loop is a really great way to finding the particular type that we are looking for in this type of validators, right? So but we can just use any and it will just be the same. So let's use a new functions. So any will return the moment we have a true value, right? So if it's not, then it will just return false. Okay, so now we will type we'll go through the characters. So in this case, for character in S, so that character we will return the Boolean value is isnum, right? So character, so yeah, it's the same character as it will just return isalnum. So isalnum, yep. So let's run that. I think we might have an indented problem right here. So yeah, there you go. Let's run that again. So it's gonna work. Yep, just true, one true. So we will just repeat it for multiple times. I think 5 times. Yeah. So let's repeat that here. So let's go here and fix this alnum to isalpha. Okay, and then let's go right here and let's fix this into isdigit. All right, and then let's go down here and print, and let's fix this into islower. We're checking lower, and similar to the above, we will check for upper. So this will do it. So let's run and test if our code is working correctly, and it works. So let's submit this, and everything looks fine. So that's it for our solutions.